Hi guys, I was showing this movie like after after we set the steel structure after we set the steel structure for this building. Here they did the dam proofing for waterproofing. You can see because those HSS columns, hollow steel structure columns, will be in the center of the walls. So you can see the dowels, the L rebar dowels for the mason that will be in the wall. So those columns will be in the wall, and you can see, so those columns will be in the wall. So they just did 2 coats for dam proofing to protect them. And here you can see how they capped the sanitary line, and you can see here they did the grouts under the bottom base plate for the HSS columns. That's what I need to show you in this project. Yeah. Concrete grouts and dam proofing, the waterproof 2 coats for that column. You can see that's here. You can see that's what they used. Master Seal 615, waterproof, waterproof. That's for dam proofing compounds. So you can see that's what they used to put 2 coats to protect. And here you can see another grout work. Okay, thank you guys.